Now that the known good parts and bad parts have been tested, it is time to add criteria. When creating criteria, it is important to look for separations in the red peaks and the blue peaks. Turn on the range lines in the graphics section. Zoom into an area where red peaks are separate from blue peaks by holding the control button and clicking the left mouse button. As you can see, there are several red peaks for bad parts that are separate from the cluster of similar blue peaks for good parts. Add criteria to the blue peaks by right-clicking over the peaks and clicking on Add Criteria. This will add a green criteria box and range lines. The range lines specify the section of data that is evaluated by the green criteria box. Notice that under the criteria section, a small green box has appeared to represent your first criteria. Click on this criteria box to zoom in. To simplify your evaluation of the data, make sure the peak marks are turned on and turn the data traces off so that only the peak marks are showing. The peak marks for good parts display as blue X's, and the peak marks for bad parts display as red X's. Adjust the green criteria box by clicking and dragging the sides of the box so the blue peaks are the only peaks inside the green box. In this test, 5 good parts pass this criteria and 5 bad parts fail. Once the criteria has been set, click the big green Pass/Fail button to zoom out. You have now set up your first criteria.